Hello and welcome back to our live reaction for the Slime Diaries episode 12. I'm X Creek, that's Azilfan and Hells.
Hello.
Hello.
Alright, let's begin in 3, 2, 1, go. Last episode. And of course, New Year's episode.
But it's like end of June. Not even.
Look, it's in their world, it's the end of the year apparently. This is normal.
Can you even breathe?
Ooh, pudding. Wait.
Yeah, do they even understand this?
Well, I don't know.
I
Do
guess
they
it's
even understand any of the festivities they've had before?
That's true, I suppose. Like you can emulate what people do in Japan, but you still need to explain to these people why you do it. If you don't explain them why,
doesn't matter. Food.
look, if you don't explain them why, it's like it's pointless. It's just festivities for festivities' sake. I mean,
isn't that what happens over here anyway?
that's true.
Yeah.
That's what happened in modern time. Why do we celebrate this? I don't know. Just celebrate. Shut up.
We get to eat.
Because
but
like
it feels empty,
was-
isn't it? I don't know.
Yeah.
I was following another isekai series and they actually had something like that. They're like trying to figure out like pick something for the festivals. And then it was like, oh yeah, we throw tomatoes at each other like the ones over in Europe.
Mhm.
And then the response was like, why would you waste food? That doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
And I was like, that makes sense. As a person who doesn't understand the culture, you're literally just wasting food, right?
That's true, but like in the country where it originated, like it must have marked something, right? Like, oh, it's
exactly.
tomato harvest time or something.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know,
So
maybe,
it's like
yeah, right?
something, right?
Mm-hmm.
So like explaining another culture as like the reason for a festival is sometimes a bit of a this is cross wall.
Oh. Why are you still like that? Are you going to be like that for the whole like day?
I mean, apparently that's his formal New Year attire. So.
Apparently so, yeah. What? Oh, he's going to give a New Year's allowance?
Yeah.
Except it's like a.
It's like
What is that?
what?
Jawbreaker?
Dropping off the ball? What?
And how Toshidama is supposed to be like a.
I don't get it.
What?
Toshidama is supposed to be New Year's money.
Oh,
Okay.
but he's actually giving them a ball.
Yeah. I guess it's supposed to be like pun.
Oh yeah, he was just going for a pun. But these people doesn't know about the real thing. Rimuru, please. Of course not. You have to start from the beginning.
Okay, Great Rimuru's ball is a phrase that needs to be reworked, okay?
Yeah. That's excuse me.
Hey.
Door. Hello. Jesus.
That's a cute outfit and hairstyle.
Yeah.
Yes, you
Sure,
are.
sure. Cute. Don't destroy doors anymore.
Why with the monotone voice?
Really? Okay.
Technically, that's not a compliment, but I guess you're innocent enough. He's wearing proper Kamansha.
Wow. Yeah, that's not a compliment.
I don't know why they had Gobuta as the
Yeah,
example there, great sage.
that's kind of rude to Gupta, isn't it?
I guess he's the most goblin-looking one out of the rest of them.
Well, look, there's still the other one. What's his name? Gobzo?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh, the the shrine dog thing. It's Ranga.
Oh yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Also, how do they even know what shrines are?
Didn't they have Obon?
Oh yeah, that's. Oh, you know what? Yeah, let's just not think too much about
By the
this.
way, who's the deity?
Yeah, who are you praying to? Rimuru, I'm guessing. Of course.
Oh,
Yeah. So he's praying to
praying to
himself.
He's
yourself.
praying to himself.
Now answer the question. Answer the prayers just now. What?
Oh, wow.
Wow, that's going to
Oh.
be a busy day for you, Rimuru. You're just going to have to stay there.
I mean, he's just gonna have to sit there for the rest of the day.
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
Yep. Well, at least they don't expect their prayers to actually be answered, or else this will take a lot longer.
Yeah. Yes?
Yep. Ah, there you go. That works, right?
I guess he is a slime.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
No, that's another 6 months away, Rimuru.
One horn.
Hmm? Oh yeah, she
What?
has to.
Oh.
Yeah, that's true. What
Is that
face was
bragging?
that?
Is that bragging? You wanna die? Oh.
Yep. What? Oh
What?
wow.
What?
You talking about her?
Oh.
Apparently?
Is it? Is it really sagging? I need to see that again. Show? Um, well, whatever,
I
I
mean, to be
guess.
fair, none of them, I assume, had bras back then, so
That's true.
they
But they have
probably sacked
magic.
earlier.
They have magic though. They can, I don't know. Just magic it up.
Look, different times have different understanding of what is beauty, so
But
maybe they
they're
think sagging breasts are beautiful. I don't know.
She's clearly meant that as a negative.
I mean,
Okay, what is this
that
now?
might have just been like she sneezed because she was being talked about.
No, I mean Milim. Milim said, "I know someone who's already sagging." That meant,
Yeah, that's true.
What is this now? I don't know about this.
The hell is that supposed to be? Oh, is that like a draconic head or something?
Yeah. What is this?
Oh, wow.
Excuse me. How do you even imagine television or like whatever that was?
Nah.
The screen.
This is just reading the fortune, right?
I know, but they're imagining things, right? How do they imagine that there's a TV screen without the technology?
He became a god.
Wow.
It's a bit too much, isn't it? Oh.
Yeah, the culprit.
Yeah, of course.
That one doesn't count. Okay. Oh yeah.
I just realized that reads Rimu. I don't know if it reads Rimuru, but I know it reads Rimu.
What? What?
Ah,
Oh,
it's that thing where you make the face
but it's just two eyes.
and the shining bit at the
Oh,
top.
okay, yeah, shining bit. I don't think anyone needs to be shown. What do you mean with that last part? Yeah,
what?
it is simple though. I'm guessing he's still wrong, even though. Hmm. Wow. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. You do realize the person is Why though? Yeah, why? Oh, well, that's
Ooh.
your face now. That's
Their
your face now.
face.
No, that is now your face. You can't change it back again. Isn't it pretty clear what it is from the name alone?
Mm-hmm.
Do they have kanji? They do. What the?
Yeah, I guess
Who
they
taught them
are.
kanji?
I guess they use the same letters because Rimuru is the one teaching them, probably. What is Gupta doing? Well-fed, well-bred.
Excuse me?
I don't think that's what she meant.
Okay.
And that is definitely what she meant. Also this.
That's okay.
Sure.
Mm,
Road. No, not wrong, but sure. Yeah.
I expected Gabriel to have that instead of you.
Yeah. Okay. One shot, one kill. Okay.
Independence from what?
What is that in the
Ranga?
Okay, Ranga. Okay, sure. Another? Stop being lazy. Well,
Yay.
ooh, yeah, nope, not gonna forget from that.
Oh.
Also, who did that?
Is that Milim? I'm gonna assume
Of
Milim.
Of course.
Where else?
Of course it is. Excuse me, Milim. You could have just ended the series. Be careful.
I mean, Rimuru's a slime. He'll probably live.
I guess, yeah, but.
This is turning into a sports anime.
Yeah.
Okay. Kids, you might want to like
This is
go a
reminiscent
bit.
of
Oh.
the beach episode.
Yeah, kinda.
They're just sort of playing with like something innocent, but
Apparently.
might wanna like evacuate the kids. By the way.
Yeah. Your life. Oh.
Ooh.
What is this now? Mochi pounding theme. Okay.
This sumo.
Okay. What do you mean plain? It's fine. What are you talking about? Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Is
Is
that
it good?
supposed to be honey?
Maybe?
Looks good.
Oh, is it good? Oh.
Extremely popular with the kids, I guess.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Wait, what happened? Really?
Yo.
How?
Wow.
What?
What the hell?
What is happening?
Yeah. Oh.
No, he didn't cut yours, I guess.
Yeah.
Wait, was
How
that
do you?
basically kite hugging?
I don't know. Also, how do you even know about kimonos?
Just knows.
Yeah, they just know. Also, I think from what Rimuru said earlier, another New Year. I'm guessing this is not the first New Year celebration. So maybe that's why they already know about
Maybe.
this.
Probably.
I have a
New
bad
Year's.
feeling. Oh, about what? Wait, what? This is before that thing?
Oh wow, this is
But
From the first
before
season?
Characters?
Yeah, what? Is it? Or is it just some kind of joke? Oh. Is it? Oh, okay.
Why are the tentacles just plain there?
Yeah, it's just they just
literally just there.
yeah.
They sort of stood out compared to the rest of the food.
Yeah. It's just like boiled tentacle. Okay, thank you.
You lost that bad?
She lost a lot. All I
Look
can
at
say
this
is
ink.
Look, don't think about it. It's fine.
How did that happen? Millim happened.
Yeah, you can't expect her to actually win against a demon lord.
I mean, she's already winning in the asset department.
That's true.
What the?
Ah, ghost.
Hey,
Mm.
where you come from? I guess he visited Rimuru in his dream.
Yeah, is it actually a dream or is the actual spirit is there? Because this series has shown us that she is around there somewhere.
Spirits,
Mhm.
yeah.
Yeah, as a spirit. You still haven't cleaned your face properly. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. And that is why people now put mochi like that as a tradition.
Yeah.
Oh boy. I think you know what? Look, whatever. I guess
It
it works.
works.
Sure.
Whatever works, yeah.
Yeah. The reasoning behind it is kind of different from in the real Japan, but you know what? It's fine. Yep, there you go. That is how it starts. Um What? Rimuru wearing costumes?
This is how you subdue the greatest and strongest of the demon lords.
Just
Food.
feed her.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all fun stuff. And then you get back to the real series. It's still fun, but last time it ended, it's almost in a bad way, I guess. Yeah, all good. It's fine. Only like half of the people there will die, right?
Yeah.
Don't friggin' tell them.
Look, people who watches this already watched the second season, right? I hope they did, because if not, then that's a spoiler. You want another spoiler? It's fine. They're all alive again. There you go.
That's sort of why I
the second
dropped
part.
the anime
Oh
series,
wow,
to be
they're
honest.
dead. Oh wow, they're alive.
What were you saying?
That's sort of why I dropped the anime series, to be honest. I still
Why
like
though?
follow it.
Didn't it also
There's
happen in the manga, right?
Yes, but at least the manga one, I sort of like see a bit further, so I don't get the fucking cliffhangers.
Ah.
And
Well.
it's a problem of like there's overpowered and then there's no tension whatsoever.
Well,
I feel
it
like the
depends,
moment
I
you
guess.
reach, oh, I can just resurrect everyone at will. I know it took a bit of effort to do
Yeah,
it,
it took some
but
effort at
it's
least.
but it's still like, oh, people die, I don't care, I can just resurrect them. I go like, that's suddenly I have no more tension on this. Because like,
Understandable, I would say. Understandable.
Yeah.
because like
I guess if you
Japan
see
before that, like against Charybdis, etc., right? It's like,
Yeah,
oh,
yeah.
this is a threat that's coming to our place, and we have to defeat it. But we
Mhm.
don't want people to die in the process. But suddenly, you can resurrect them. So like, hey, just whatever. You're
That's true. That's true.
Yeah, I guess that's also the problem in how story want to approach itself. It's like they don't want too many like I
the fuck
don't
was that?
say it's action, but it's more on the world building side.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. It's
That's why I really like this specifically, because
I
it's
guess because they're just chilling instead of
yeah,
That's
exactly.
true,
It's
yeah,
very
yeah.
you
chill.
want to insert so many action together, but at the same time you don't want that like high risk on the story side. I guess.
well, that is what we're going to get in the next
Yeah,
part,
yeah, that's the
though.
thing.
Yeah,
What will we get? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh well, whatever, I guess. Whatever, I guess. All right then. Yeah, that was the Slime Diaries, episode 12, the last episode. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you all next time. Bye.